Hey kids, Oyster Jim here on the Wild Pacific Trail. Have I got something unusual to show you? Hey, it's over here though. It's not there. Hey, come here and have a look at this. All you kids know about Popeye, the cartoon character with the little arms and the great big forearms. Well, Western Red Cedar does that for us around here. Look at this. This is a Western Red Cedar tree here. And because he's exposed to the wind, he's all gnarly. And if you look here, see this little limb coming out of these two limbs right here? And they go down and they touch the ground. And look what happens to this limb. Look how big it got. Little small here, big here. Same thing with this limb. It goes down, goes underneath this one, touches the ground, and gets big. That's because wherever red cedar, Western Red Cedar, touches the ground, it grows roots. So this would be like a new tree. These limbs here will be gone before too long, and there'll be two new trees where there were just limbs. And I've got some really big ones to show you. Let's go. So here we are in the Western Red Cedar again, and look how it fills up the canopy. So around here, limbs also have to find sunlight to stay alive. Now look at these two here. These are like the big brothers of the ones we just looked at. They're small, and then they go into the ground, they touch down, and they grew roots, and they got bigger. But look what this one does. This one here, both of them, but it goes up, it goes through the trees, and it goes clear on up until it finds sunlight. That's how they grow around here. You have to really compete, and part of it is the ability to grow roots in wherever you touch down. I've got one more really fantastic one to show you, so let's go over there. So kids, this is again Western Red Cedar here, this tree. But unlike the other limbs where they just touched the ground and grew roots, this tree fell over when it was this size right here. And these limbs jammed down in the ground. And they just became roots. So this part of the tree is dying out, but the top of the tree, which was right over here, because these limbs are now roots, look at it, look at it. Now it's growing up and it's a big tree. And it put down an extra root over here just to help stabilize it. That's how fantastic this Western Red Cedar is. Any part of it hits the ground, it'll turn into roots. And that's just another one of the amazing things you'll find out here on the Wild Pacific Trail. So come out and join us once for all of these fantastic things. Bye now.